Yo, what's up everybody? It's Siva here, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're anything like me, you're probably obsessed with all things tech. And one of the coolest things about tech, in my opinion, is the power it gives you to build stuff, to create. That's why today, we're diving deep into the world of front-end development. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've already dabbled in HTML and CSS, this video is your one-stop shop for the top front-end developer courses out there right now. We're talking about the courses that'll take you from writing your first line of code to building sleek, responsive, and downright impressive websites. We've got something for everyone, from beginner-friendly introductions to advanced boot camps that'll push your skills to the limit. So if you're ready to unlock the world of web development, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started. Alright, so you're ready to jump into the world of web development. Where do you even begin? Well, every great website starts with a solid foundation, and that's exactly what this first course is all about. We're talking HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the three fundamental languages that make up the web as we know it. Think of HTML as the skeleton of your website. It provides the basic structure and content. CSS is like your design toolbox. It lets you add colors, fonts, layouts, and all that visual goodness to make your website pop. And then there's JavaScript, the real workhorse of the front end. It brings interactivity, animations, and dynamic elements to your website, making it come alive for your users. Now, this course is designed specifically for beginners, so don't worry if you've never written a line of code in your life. It's all about breaking down complex concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand chunks. You'll start with the basics of each language, learning the syntax and how to write clean, efficient code. But it's not just about theory. This course is all about getting your hands dirty and building real projects. You'll be surprised how quickly you can go from writing your first Hello World to creating your own basic web pages. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of how HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work together to create the websites you interact with every single day. You'll be able to build your own static websites, and you'll have the foundation you need to dive deeper into more advanced front-end development concepts. If you're serious about becoming a front-end developer, this is the perfect place to start your journey. Okay, so you've got the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript under your belt. You're comfortable building static web pages, but you're ready to take your skills to the next level. Well, that's where this next course comes in. JavaScript, the advanced concepts. Because let's be real, JavaScript is the engine that powers the modern web, and mastering it is essential for any aspiring front-end developer. This course is going to dive deep into the more complex aspects of JavaScript, taking you beyond the basics and into the world of advanced functions, object-oriented programming, and asynchronous JavaScript. It's about understanding how JavaScript works under the hood so you can write cleaner, more efficient, and more maintainable code. We're going to break down complex topics like prototypes, closures, and the event loop, giving you a deep understanding of how JavaScript behaves in different situations. You'll learn how to write modular and reusable code, which is essential for building large, complex web applications. But here's the thing, this course isn't just about learning dry concepts. You'll be applying everything you learned to build real-world projects, putting your skills to the test, and solidifying your understanding. We're talking about building dynamic web applications, working with APIs to fetch and display data, and even creating your own JavaScript libraries. And let's not forget about modern JavaScript frameworks. This course will introduce you to popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, giving you a taste of what it's like to build web applications using these powerful tools. By the end of this course, you'll be well on your way to becoming a JavaScript pro, capable of tackling even the most challenging front-end development projects. Alright, so you're building websites, you're writing clean code, but how do you make sure those websites look amazing on any device? In today's world, it's not enough to just build a website that looks good on your desktop. We're living in a multi-device world, from laptops and tablets to smartphones of all shapes and sizes. That's where responsive web design comes in, and it's the focus of our next course. This course will teach you the principles of building websites that adapt seamlessly to any screen size, ensuring that your users have a great experience no matter how they're accessing your content. You'll dive deep into media queries, flexible layouts, and mobile-first design principles. You'll learn how to use CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS to streamline your development process and build responsive websites with ease. But it's not just about aesthetics. This course also covers the crucial topic of web accessibility. We'll explore the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG, and learn how to make your websites usable by people with disabilities. This includes things like ensuring proper color contrast, using semantic HTML for screen readers, and providing alternative text for images. Building accessible websites is not just good practice. It's essential for reaching the widest possible audience and creating a more inclusive web for everyone. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to build websites that are not only visually stunning and responsive, but also accessible to all users. So, you've built an amazing website with all the bells and whistles. It's responsive, it's accessible, and it looks fantastic. But what happens when your website starts to slow to a crawl? We all know how frustrating it is to wait for a slow website to load, and in today's fast-paced digital world, every millisecond counts. That's why performance optimization is a critical skill for any front-end developer, and that's what this next course is all about. This course will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to diagnose and fix performance bottlenecks, ensuring that your websites load lightning fast and provide a smooth, seamless user experience. We'll cover everything from optimizing your images and code to leveraging browser caching and CDNs. You'll learn how to analyze your website's performance using developer tools, identify areas for improvement, and implement best practices to squeeze every ounce of speed out of your code. We'll dive into topics like critical rendering path optimization, lazy loading, and code splitting, all of which are essential for delivering a blazing fast web experience. But it's not just about making your websites load faster. Performance optimization is also about creating a more efficient and sustainable web. By reducing the amount of data that needs to be downloaded and processed, we can minimize our website's environmental impact. So, if you're ready to take your front-end skills to the next level and build websites that are not only visually appealing and functional, but also incredibly fast and efficient, this course is for you. Alright, so you've mastered the front end, you're comfortable with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and you're ready to take on the world of web development. But what if you want to go beyond just the front end? What if you want to build complete, dynamic web applications from the ground up? That's where full-stack development comes in, and this final course is your gateway to becoming a full-stack web developer. This is no ordinary course. It's a comprehensive bootcamp that will take you from front-end master to full-stack ninja. You'll dive deep into server-side programming languages like Node.js, learn how to build RESTful APIs, and master the art of database management with technologies like MongoDB and PostgreSQL. You'll learn how to connect your front-end code to your back-end infrastructure, creating seamless and dynamic web applications that can handle user authentication, data storage, and so much more. This course is all about building real-world projects, so be prepared to get your hands dirty. You'll be working on projects that simulate real-world scenarios, giving you the practical experience you need to hit the ground running as a full-stack developer. And the best part? You won't be alone on this journey. This bootcamp includes mentorship opportunities with experienced developers who will guide you, answer your questions, and help you overcome any challenges you encounter. By the end of this course, you'll have a portfolio of impressive projects and the skills and confidence to land your dream job as a full-stack web developer. And there you have it, folks. The top front-end developer courses to take your skills from zero to hero. Whether you're just starting your coding journey or you're looking to level up your existing skill set, there's a course on this list for you. Remember, the world of web development is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay curious, keep learning, and never be afraid to experiment. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these courses are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Until next time, keep creating, Keep coding and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Peace out.